women have beaten men in tennis, rock climbing, and marathon running. But what about Formula One? There are no women on the grid this season, and a woman hasn't started a race in 30 years. But why aren't there more women in F1? And which women are trying to change that?
I'm Pragathi Gowda, and I started racing when I was 22 years old.
The opening round of the championship, a couple young guns on the front row, set to battle it out on this thrilling flooded circuit.
I started racing. My parents were totally against it because I'd lost my brother 2 months back then in a bike accident. So friends took care. The only thing they promised was, you have it in you and we want to see you in top and we will help you no matter where. So I wanted to finish. And after I finished, everybody started clapping for me and they were all so happy. I'm like, okay, what did I do? It was really sad. I was literally depressed. I'm like, I just started off with my career and what just happened? In 2021, I did a lot of rally championship rounds and I won a couple of them and I broke down. Motorsport is expensive. So everybody put together took me to next level and I'm here. I'm very happy and grateful for that. All we need is good machines. So for that we need good sponsors.